So you downloaded the SoFi app. But can you actually bank there? Ever since online banking became a thing, the question of what a real bank even is has gotten fuzzier. We all know the traditional brick-and-mortar giants, but these new fintech apps are popping up everywhere, promising a more modern approach to managing your money. SoFi is one such app. It lets you invest, borrow, and even trade crypto. But can you ditch your debit card and rely solely on SoFi for your everyday banking needs? Let's dive in and find out if SoFi qualifies as your one-stop financial shop. Banking basics: checking, savings, and the all-important debit card. The bread and butter of any bank account is easy access to your cash. SoFi offers checking and savings accounts, which is a good start. You can transfer money between them, set up direct deposit, and even get paid up to 2 days early with qualifying accounts. Now, for the real question, can you ditch your physical wallet? SoFi does offer a debit card, so you can make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. But there's a catch: SoFi doesn't have its own ATM network. Instead, they rely on a network of partnered ATMs, which means you might have to hunt for a fee-free option depending on where you are. Beyond the basics, features that set SoFi apart. So, while SoFi covers the essential checking and savings functions, it's their additional features that make them stand out. Here's where things get interesting. High-yield savings: SoFi boasts some of the most competitive APYs, annual percentage yields, on savings accounts, which means your money grows faster. Mobile deposit magic: forget the hassle of checks. SoFi lets you deposit them electronically with just a snap of your phone's camera. Borrowing made easy: need a quick loan? SoFi integrates seamlessly with their loan products, allowing you to apply and manage them right from the app. Investing on the side: feeling ambitious? SoFi lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrency within the same app, making it a true one-stop shop for managing your finances. SoFi versus traditional banks: a tale of two worlds. So, is SoFi a true replacement for your traditional bank? It depends on your needs. Here's where SoFi shines. Tech-savvy users: if you love the convenience of managing everything from your phone, SoFi's app is a dream. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and lets you keep a close eye on your finances. Interest rate chasers: those competitive APYs on savings accounts are hard to beat, making SoFi a great option to grow your money. The all-in-one seeker: for those who want to invest, borrow, and manage their everyday banking all in one place, SoFi offers unparalleled convenience. However, traditional banks still have some advantages. Branch network power: need to speak to a banker face-to-face? Traditional banks have a network of branches where you can get personalized service. Wider ATM access: traditional banks often have their own ATM networks, giving you more freedom to withdraw cash without encountering fees. The verdict: SoFi, your mobile banking ally, not your total replacement. So, can you ditch your traditional bank entirely and switch to SoFi? For most people, probably not. While SoFi offers excellent mobile banking features, competitive rates, and a suite of financial products, the lack of a robust ATM network and physical branches might be deal breakers for some. However, SoFi can be a fantastic companion to your existing bank account. Use SoFi for its high-yield savings, convenient mobile banking, and integrated investment options. Keep your traditional bank for those times you need a physical branch or wider ATM access. Ultimately, SoFi is a powerful mobile bank that can revolutionize the way you manage your money, but it might not be the only bank you ever need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.